Your immune system is constantly active, figuring out which cells belong to your body and which don't. This means it needs a healthy dose of vitamins and minerals to keep its energy up. The following recipes are packed with essential nutrients for everyday health or for fighting off viruses such as the cold or flu. Learn which immunity-enhancing nutrients each juice, smoothie or seed milk has, so you can start your mornings off with a refreshing boost to your body's natural defenses. Orange, grapefruit and other citrus. The citrus explosion by Happy Foods tube contains more than enough of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. Vitamin C has antioxidant properties which protect your cells from substances that damage the body. A vitamin C deficiency can lead to delayed wound healing and impaired immune response, and the inability to properly fight infections. There's currently no evidence that oral vitamin C is effective in preventing transmission of the new coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, or treating the disease it causes, COVID-19. However, research has shown promise for intravenous IV infusion of vitamin C. As a COVID-19 treatment, more clinical trials are in the works for treatment, not prevention, using IV infusion, not oral therapy. However, if you have a cold, high doses of vitamin C may result in less severe symptoms and a quicker recovery. For adults, the tolerable upper limit is 2000 mg mg a day. Green apple, carrot and orange. Carrots, apples and oranges are a winning combination for helping your body protect itself and fight off infections. The apples and oranges give you your vitamin C, vitamin A, which also is critical to a healthy immune system. It's present in carrots in the form of the antioxidant beta-carotene. The carrot also contain vitamin B6, which plays an important role in immune cell proliferation and antibody production. Click here for a recipe by the Urban Umbrella that will get you glowing and going in the morning. The tartness of the green apples really cuts through the sweetness of the carrots and oranges.